बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's Daria Come School, and I'm your teacher, Miss Faiza. I hope you all are good and safe at your homes. That's good. So, today we are going to start week 3 of SST. So, first of all, you have to open your SST workbooks. Yes, here on page number 8, you have to mention today's date and day. Okay? Land and water. In last week we have read about this lesson land and water. Today is activity my interpretation. Label each of the 7 continents and ocean on the map. Here is a picture. ठीक है, you have to label it, you have to color it. आपने बताना है कि कॉन्टिनेंट्स कहाँ पे लोकेटेड हैं, कौन सा कॉन्टिनेंट कहाँ पे है, कौन सा कॉन्टिनेंट कहाँ पे है, और ओशियंस का भी बताना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज अ पिंक area. It's North America. It's North America. And beside this, it's a Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Okay. Then here's a Atlantic Ocean. On one side, it's a Pacific Ocean, and the other side, here's Atlantic Ocean. After that, here's a South America. North America, and it's a South America. The brown area which I have colored, it represent South America. Then here's a green area, it represent Africa. Africa. Then move towards here, it's Europe. The orange area, that's Europe. And beside Europe, here is Asia. Asia's space is much wider than Europe. Okay. Then here is Arctic Ocean. Then again is a Pacific Ocean. The very small area that I have colored yellow, it's Australia. Australia. Then beside is it's Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Then Southern Ocean. And the last one is Antarctica. Clear? You have to label it like this and then you have to color it. Your color should be neat और हर कलरिंग आपने एज इट इज़ करनी है ताकि हर एरिया जो है वो हम उसको सेपरेट कर सकें. ओके, आफ्टर दैट mention date and day on page number 11. Then look at this. First of all, you have to mention today's date and day. Then you have to draw diagrams. The first one is stream. You have to draw streams here. You can also color it. Then river. Then plateau. And the last one is forest. You have to draw pictures and then color according to the area. Like it's a plateau and you have to draw here plateau. Forest, you have to draw here forest. How forest look like. Okay. Then understand the question and answer accordingly. This is fresh water with land on two sides. Island, river or ocean. So the right option is river. Okay, river is the right option. Then what should we do to save water? हमें water save करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? So the answer is we can save rain water and reuse it. Close tap while brushing teeth. Sometime ऐसे तक बहुत से बच्चे ऐसे हैं जब वो ब्रश कर रहे होते हैं तो वो टैप ओपन छोड़ देते हैं तो जो पानी होता है वो ज़ाया होता रहता है. सो try to close the tap while you are brushing your teeth and try to save rain water. Okay, उस rain water को भी हम reuse कर सकते हैं. After that, mention date and day on the next page. Written project. Match the given riddles with these options: mountain, river, oceans, plains, valley, continent, island. Okay, so let's start. The first one is you get this landform when ocean run dry. They are broad, flat spaces stretching under the sky. It's a plains. 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 Second, what kind of landform is the tallest of all? It's a mountain. 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 What kind of landform always runs downhill? That's river. River always run downhill. River. Then What kind of landform is a huge chunk of water that takes up 3/4 of the earth and is salty? So salty and 3/4 आप guess कर सकते हैं. It's a ocean. OCEAN, ocean. Then this form is found at the bottom of mountain and very tall hills. It is the low and between them. That's valley. VALLEY, valley. Then to get to this landform, a boat you may ride since water surround it on every side. It's a island. Island is surrounded by water all around. Then the last one is, which type of landform is just one of 7? It's really big place split up into nations. It's a continent. Okay, it's a continent. So students, I hope you understand. You have to solve these riddles. You have to label the map. This is your today's work. Hope you understand. You should have to do it neat and clean on your workbooks. And don't commit spelling mistake. Your writing should be neat and try to do your own self. ठीक है, आप खुद से करने की कोशिश करें. पेरेंट्स से आप हेल्प ले सकते हैं, बट रिटन वर्क आप सारा खुद करें. ओके, सो टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. अल्लाह के